Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove Capcut watermark logo. So if you edit your videos on Capcut, by default there is the watermark attached on the video, and through this video here I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. So first, let's launch the Capcut app. Okay, so in here I'm going to start a new project. Let's skip this ad first. Okay, sorry. Okay, tap on the new project and choose the videos that you want to create. For example, I'm going to use these videos right here. Okay, so this is the video, and by default you can see at the bottom there will be a Capcut watermark attached in here, and also at the end there will be this Capcut ending. So for this ones right here, what you need to do is just click on delete and it will be gone from your edits. And if you want to remove it permanently, you can go to your profile by clicking on the me at the bottom. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and here you'll see add default ending. You need to turn this off, so click on this blue button, click on discard, and it will not shown again in the future. But how about the watermark that is attached on the video? This one, this Capcut watermark in here. So if you want to get rid of that on Capcut, sorry, you need to click on the watermark in here, and you can see this is the Capcut watermark. You can, if you want it hidden, you need to be on the pro user, so you need to pay for it. You need to join the pro. So if you don't want to spend any money on that, I'm going to show you the trick. You can just export the video first, and then after that you can click on done and close Capcut, and you can try to use other video editor that is free and no watermark attached on it. So I'm using, for example, this Wink app on my phone. You can open the video that you just saved from Capcut in the other video editor apps. So for example, I'm going to open this this video from Capcut before. Click on start. So what you need to do here to delete the Capcut watermark, you can just use, let's try to use, so let's go back. You can try to use the remove or eraser on Wink in here. Okay, this one, this removal, you can tap on removal, choose the video, and here you can swipe the area that you want to remove. So let's just go swipe this one, and after that it will be processing. So you can try again and then tap on start, and the watermark will be removed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.